Hello everyone. Now we will discuss interview skills. Purpose of an interview from employer's perspective, gathering the information about the candidate to determine his or her suitability for the job. Ideally, the theme is right person for the right job at the right time. And from your perspective, it would be providing information to the interviewers so they can make their decision preferably in your favor. You have to market yourself and you have to present yourself that you are the person what they are looking for to make their decision of hiring you easy. Interviewers are in charge of the structure of the interview and how they will gather the information they need. However, interviewees are in charge of preparation and how they come across during the interview. So you have to present such that you have to present yourself such that what they need, you have all the skills and your other personality traits what they are looking for. So this is a very good slide. So here the two decisions are hired and not hired. For hired, they might be looking, interviewers might be looking for qualification, strengths, experience, skills, competency. These are the logical reasons for hiring you. And there may be emotional reasons for hiring you, which involves cultural match, which is the most important, and the motivation. As I said earlier in my previous video that three things are important. Number one, skills. Number two, motivation. Number three is the cultural match, that you can fit in the culture, how the work is done in the organization. The other parts are confidence, very important element, friendliness, very important element, and another is trustworthiness, that these things you must demonstrate that you possess these qualities so that your chances of getting hired increase. Once you master these skills, there are chances that you will be hired. However, the other chances why you are not hired, the other reasons could be there are other candidates that are better than you, that are more suitable than you, or there are gaps in your CV which don't reflect the things they actually need, and any other reasons which is not mentioned here. Now, types of interviews, there are two types of interviews, structured interview and the other one is unstructured interview. Structured interview increases consistency across the candidates. It enhances job relatedness, it reduces overall subjectivity, it enhances the ability to withstand legal challenge. However, in an unstructured interview, the interviewer it allows the interviewer to ask follow-up questions and pursue point of interest as they develop. This type of interview can be described as little more than a general conversation. Interview content, types of questions, there can be these four types of questions: situational interview, behavioral interview, job related interview, and stress interview. For situational interview, in a situational interview, you ask the candidate what his or her behavior would be in a given situation. That is, you give some situation to him and see his behavior, that how he reacts to that situation. Behavior based interview, the focus of this interview is on your specific accomplishments and experiences and less on your thoughts about how you might handle such a situation. The key to successfully answering behavior based interview questions is to understand how the interviewer has been trained to hear the answers. Job related interview, a series of job related questions that focus on relevant past job related behaviors. The aim is to draw a conclusion about candidates' ability to handle particular aspects of the job to be filled. Final one is stress interview. The interviewer seeks to make the applicant uncomfortable with occasionally rude questions. The aim is to spot sensitive applicants and those with the low or high stress tolerance. If the job is some kind of like stress involved, then the stress interview questions can be asked by the interviewer deliberately. Various ways of conducting the interview: one-to-one interview, two people meet alone and one interviews the other by seeking oral responses to oral inquiries. The other one is sequential interview. Several persons interview the applicant in sequence, one on one, before a decision is made. Unstructured sequential, each interview may ask different questions. Structured sequential, each interview rates the candidates on a standard evaluation form using standardized questions. Then there is panel interview, an interview in which a group of interviewers questions the applicant. Then structured panel, more reliable and valid than unstructured ones. Then comes the mass interview, interviews several candidates simultaneously. Phone and video, these interviews can be more accurate than face-to-face for judging an applicant's conscientiousness, intelligence and interpersonal skills. So this is observed from the research. Here both parties can solely focus on the substantive answers. Computerized interview, in such type of interview, computerized responses are obtained to computerized questions or situations. Are interviews useful? Interview is a better predictor of performance and is comparable with the other selection techniques. For an effective interview, structure the interview for reliability. Be careful what sorts of traits you are trying to assess. Keep in mind various factors that can undermine interviews' usefulness. Thank you very much.